Hello, this is Mick from WaterMark H2O. We're here looking at a greywater system, rainwater harvesting system with the use of Aqua 2 use. This is kind of an overview of the whole system. We're in the backyard in the garden that is watered by the Aqua 2 Use Pro in the 5,000 gallon rainwater storage tank. Waters her whole yard in the back here. And the front yard is watered by the Aqua 2 Use greywater recovery system from the shower and the laundry room. Looking at the rainwater harvesting system, these three downspouts, one here, and one down on the end, collected from the gutters on the roof, run to the Aqua 2 Use Pro underneath that deck right there, and the line pumps the water up to our 5,000 gallon Pioneer water tank. So this is our Pioneer water tank. All the water from the roof goes to the Aqua 2 Use Pro, gets pumped up into this tank, and this water level is from last year. She waters this entire killer garden with rainwater, and she still has that much water left. Drip irrigation is key to water savings rather than watering with a hose, but very proud of this system. It's very functional. Customer is very happy. I'm happy if the customer is happy. We're out in the front yard right now. The whole front yard is all serviced by the Aqua 2 Use greywater unit from the laundry and shower. All the emitters for each plant has to be in a mulch bed. They can't spray or let the water run on top of the mulch bed. Everything in California per their plumbing code has to be in a mulch bed. We can't spray it and just let it run on the surface. It has to be mulched in. This is the Aqua 2 Use that is feeding the front yard that we looked at earlier. As you can see, the filtration in here is quite robust. There's 6 different filters in here, different grades going through, the finest being the last one. It comes from the shower and the washing machine, fills this up, and as you can see, the filters are, doing their job. They're filtering out all the sediment and everything. There's a lot of buildup that happens in these, and you got to maintain them, but once or twice a year, depending on the water flow that you're getting. This is a three-way diverter valve. Right now, it's set to go for normal laundry. They use biodegradable soap and all the right stuff. And if we were going to do a bleach load, you don't want bleach running out to your plants, we would turn this one off and turn this one on. And then it goes out to sewer, not to landscape. I'm guessing this tank fills up in like 3 good rains, and then sometimes we get a summer rain. So I'm saying they're saving at least 10,000 gallons a year, probably upwards of 15. That is just rainwater harvesting. The greywater goes directly out. You can't store greywater for more than 24 hours. It just gets too much biofilm and everything in there, so that it's usually laundry, shower to landscape immediately.